Okay, this next video looks at stage 3 of the process, which is production planning menu. And as it says on the button here, it is an optional stage, but you may find it useful depending on how your factory operates. So let's take you through this. We click on the command button and there are 4 steps in which it walks you through the process. The first step is to look at the recipes, enter volumes, mix and batch figures. So let's click on that button. It takes us to the screen you're now familiar with, looks at the recipes in detail, and let's find that latest recipe. There it is, new fish cake. You're familiar with the cost, we've been through that. There's all the recipe details which go into it, the 3 products. Now we'll look at this tab, the production volumes. It's already pre-filled with the products which are going to be comprise the recipe, but we have to type in here the production volume and how much the kilogram in the weight of the mix is in total in kilograms, and also we want to use batches. So we want to produce 100 items. Type in 100 there, tab across to mix. Well, we know 100 items and they're 100 grams each, so that's going to be a mix total of 10 kilos in weight. Tab across. The batch system allows you to say, well, I can't produce it all at once, I want to produce in batches of X kilos. We're going to say, for the sake of argument, we're going to produce in batches of 5 kilos, so type 5 in there. And now it updates itself, and you can see there's the quantity of grams per unit, there's the mix kilos, and there's your batch kilos. So that's now all sorted out for that particular recipe. Let's close this. We go back to the production planner menu. Step 2, select the recipes needed, a recipe selector form. There are now 4 recipes on the system. This particular one here is not included. This column here is asking if you want to include it in your total recipes you're going to want to put through the factory. So we're going to say yes to that, and we're going to take off the veggie hot pot for the sake of argument and close that. Check the recipes and volumes. You may have a lot here, and this simply gives you the opportunity to have a look at which particular recipes we're going to include in our production planning process. We've got 3, the batch is all right, so we're happy with that. Let's close it out of there, and then finally it allows you to print off here the ingredients required, and you can see there it's worked out all the ingredients required, including even the packaging and the carton required for the production you need. And that is that step of the process now complete.